Today we will be covering synthetic division. The problem is 3x to the fourth power minus 2x squared plus 4 divided by x plus 1. The reason why we want to do synthetic division is because long division with polynomials takes longer and is more tedious. This is a short and easy method that will bring us to the same outcome. The first step is to set up the problem. We draw this large L shape like this. Now we are dividing by x plus 1. So on the outside, we would write the 0, which we find by flipping the sign of the x plus 1. So since it is x plus 1, our 0 is negative 1. Write negative 1 on the outside. And on the inside, we write the coefficients of the polynomial that we are dividing. The coefficients are the numbers in front of the x terms. So the first coefficient is the 3 that's in front of the x to the fourth power. Then we have no x cubed. We skipped the x cubed, so we can just write 0 for that. There's a negative 2 next in front of the x squared. Then we skipped the x, so we can write 0 again. Then we have a 4. Now that the problem is set up, we bring down the first coefficient. So we'll bring the 3 down to the bottom. Then we multiply it by the number on the outside. So we're multiplying 3 by negative 1, which gives us negative 3. And we write that in the next column over. Then we add the numbers 0 and negative 3 here in this box. So we have 0 plus negative 3, which is negative 3. And we write the negative 3 at the bottom, and we'll keep following this method of multiplying and adding. So we again multiply the bottom number by negative 1, which gives us negative 3 times negative 1, and that's 3. We'll write that in the next column over. And then we have negative 2 plus 3, which is 1. Then we have 1 times negative 1, which is negative 1. 0 plus negative 1 is negative 1. Then negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. And finally, 4 plus 1 is 5. The numbers on the bottom here are the coefficients for the answer. Our polynomial will be 1 degree less than what we divided. Since we divided a 4th degree polynomial, this will be a 3rd degree polynomial starting with x cubed. So 3 will be the coefficient for x cubed. Then negative 3 will be the coefficient for x squared. 1 will be the coefficient for x. Negative 1 will be our constant, and 5 will be our remainder. And for our remainder, we will write it by putting it as a fraction over what we divided by, x plus 1 in this case. Writing our answer down gives us 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus x minus 1 plus 5 over x plus 1.